Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you about how you develop a offline chatbot with Word documents using Streamlit Python. So first of all, I am going to show you about how it's working. It's a web-based chatbot and work totally offline. You can see it here, offline chatbot with Word documents. First of all, you need to upload here any Word document, and when you ask any type of question, it will give you answer from this Word document according to content, what type of content you have. So I just can upload this proposal to AI act dot document, and after that I simply ask a question, requirements for human resources, and this is the answer I generate. Now I ask a different question. Here we can estimate the financial impact of the summary of estimated impact. I ask this question, and step by step I guide you how you can implement this with Python script. Now you see it's running and it's generating. Here you see requires the Secretary of Defense to submit to Congress a report on the impact of proposed budget on the military operation. Requires that a report include a description of the changes to the or something. This is the offline chatbot. Now next thing is how you can develop it with Python string. So first of all, we go here and open this code dot, and in another terminal it's already running. You can see that it's running on localhost from this port, and when I open it, and here is the complete code. I guide you step by step. First of all, you need to download these requirements. You need to install Streamlit. So how you do it? Click install Streamlit, and after that you need to install docx. Keep install docx, and from, and also you need to install transformers. The docx already installed. I just forward. Here I also provide you. And next keep install transformers, import, and from transformers I import GPT-2 LM head model and GPT tokenizer. So first we need to load the model. Language model, which language model we can use here? We use model name variable, and GPT-2 model we use. Next we use tokenizer, GPT-2 tokenizer from pre-trained. Pre-trained model, lot of pre-trained model, and here is our GPT-2. Now next thing is we call our model GPT-2 head model, from this model, from this class, transformers dot from pre-trained, and from pre-trained we got from tokenizer, and model name GPT-2. Now next thing is to function. We make a function to extract text from our documents. We give a function name extract text from Word documents file. Doc is equal to, we take a variable name doc, and inside this I call document and give the parameter name docx file. And inside text we use paragraph dot text for paragraph in doc dot paragraphs, return and join text. And next thing we need to do Streamlit app. We make a main function, and inside we make first title offline chartboard with document with Word documents. Here you can see its title show here, offline chartboard with document Word document. This is the title. And next thing, upload a Word document. Upload file. We make a upload file, and we use st_streamlit.file uploader, and inside I use upload a file document in string, so that user can upload a document type docx. And if uploaded file is not none, text extract text from Word. If uploaded file is not none, there is need to some content it uh, Word file. Here you can see we need to browse files button here, and drag and drop files here. Proposal is like I upload proposal to AI docs. And next thing, if uploaded file is not none, st document content st_write.txt. Now user input area where user will give input. If st dot button submit, if user input id, it tokenizer dot encode, it encodes user input and return tensors OPT. Output is equal to model dot generate input IDs maximum length 50, number return sequence is 4, and number of repeat size is 2. So st.write, then chatbot give us response if name is equal to man. And this is the chatbot document project I make. And if you like this video, kindly like the video, subscribe my channel, so you got all the documents. And how you run it? First you need to install here in terminal Streamlit run chatbot app.py, and it will run in the browser. It's already running, but simplify, you can see it here, it's already running this. And now open it, check it if it's working. I upload this code on my GitHub, and you can got it from my GitHub. Okay, and kindly subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Thank you.